Should you get your international driver's permit? Yes. Hey everyone, it's Troy from Flow Freely, and today we're going to be going over how exactly you can get your international driver's permit and why. Now as a forward, I'm just going to let you know this is for my American viewers because I'm American and I only know how the process works in America, I'm sorry. So if you're not from America, then this video is probably not going to be for you. However, you can stick around if you want to, but I'm sure there's plenty of videos that are out there just for you. Alright, so what is an international driver's permit? See, a lot of people call it the International Driver's License, which technically is incorrect, but we know what they're saying. What it is it's kind of like a buffer. See, your International Driver's Permit gets paired up with your driver's license. And so when you're traveling to one of the 150 countries that require an International Driver's Permit, you'll be able to legally drive a car there. So bottom line, it lets you drive a car in a lot of different countries. It is also recognized as a valid form of ID. So if you're in a different country and you need an ID and your driver's license doesn't work or whatever, this does count. See, the pretty cool thing about it is that it's written in 10 different languages. It has your picture on it, it has your name on it, and it has your driver's license info on it. All in 10 different languages. So wherever you're at, there's a really good chance that that license is gonna come in handy. Alright, but why should you get it? See, even if you're not really going to a foreign country right now, or you are and you're just not planning on driving, it's still a good thing to have. Like I said, it's a valid form of ID in over 150 countries, and it only costs $20 to get. The process is super simple, which we'll go over here in a second. And they're pretty sweet. I mean, who can say they have an international driver's permit? Alright, so there's two routes you can take to getting your international driver's permit, considering there's only 2 agencies in the United States that can legally issue you one. So the first one is AAA. You've probably heard that before. It stands for American Automobile Association. So the process is really simple. You go to their website, you print out and fill out an application, you take that application, 2 passport photo IDs, your valid driver's license, and the $20 fee, and you take all 4 of those things to the nearest AAA branch to you. If you don't have a AAA branch anywhere near you, then you can just mail it in. But just remember, when you mail it in, make sure you sign both passport pictures on the back. It's just one of their requirements. So you gather all 4 of those items and then just mail it to your nearest AAA location. And that's the first route you can take. Alright, then you have your second option, which is AATA, the American Automobile Touring Alliance. So this process is pretty much identical. Just aside from the fact that AATA doesn't have an in-person office, so you're gonna have to go the mail route. You go to their website, you print out an application and fill it out, you attach 2 passport pictures, you don't have to sign the back on this one, and then you photocopy the front and back of your valid driver's license. But then again, the $20 check or money order, package all 4 of those items up, and then ship it to the AATA office. You can find that address right on their website, which I'll link in the description, along with the AAA address. And that's it. They'll take care of the rest and mail your international driver's permit. So for $20, you get a valid photo ID in over 150 countries. Now that's a deal. If you want to know exactly what 150 countries they are, there's a link to my blog post on this subject down in the description. You should check it out. I got that information straight from AAA's website. And that about wraps up this short and sweet video. So if you enjoyed it or it helped you out, subscribe for me and click that bell icon so you get notifications whenever I upload. On top of that, it would really help me out if you could leave a like and share this video with your friends. I appreciate it, and I'll see you guys in the next one.